Hey guys, new box. Now I already know what this is because I ordered it for a reason. Okay, it didn't work. What do we have here? We have Reolink, which is basically the same model as this, but this is for something else. The Reolink Argus Eco Reolink Solar Panel 1080p. Wired free solar panel, rechargeable battery, two-way audio, 1080, IP65 waterproof smart IP sensor. Apple Store. Now these are just the warranty. Now, if you guys seen my videos, this you would know this is the third camera we bought, which the other solar panel is for one of the first ones that we got, which is a good. Just the battery keeps on dying already, and I'm tired of charging the damn thing. So what did I do? I bought myself something else. Here we go. Ooh, this is actually much smaller. Very small. Literally very small. Oh, there you go. That's for the solar panel. Now I'm gonna put this right here. Why does it still have micro? The antenna. Now, I am not gonna show me installing this. I'm just gonna show it installed. It's gonna be a hassle to film myself. And the other box, well, it's another one of those, but this one is black. It's basically the same thing as this. This is white, this is black. Now, I'm just gonna, when I install this, I'm just gonna show it installed, not show you anything else, really. As you saw, you connect it here. The antenna goes here, which I'll connect that. Easy peasy, there you go. Now, I'm just gonna show the part of it connected. Probably a second video or included in this video, I'm not really sure. Now, if you want a link to the other one when it's fully set up, you can see that one, which is basically the same thing as this, just a smaller camera. Till next time, subscribe, like, whatever. Peace out. There you go. It's all set up. It charges the battery. Everything's ready. So bright outside. There you go. Till next time, people. Peace out.